When it comes to managing diabetes, diet plays a crucial role, and understanding which vegetables to avoid or limit is essential. While most vegetables are low in calories and packed with nutrients, some can have a more significant impact on blood sugar levels due to their carbohydrate content or glycemic index. Here's a closer look at some of the top worst vegetables for diabetics and why they should be consumed with caution.
1. Potatoes. Potatoes are a staple in many diets, but they are also one of the worst vegetables for diabetics. Potatoes are high in carbohydrates, particularly starch, which the body quickly converts into glucose. This rapid conversion can cause a significant spike in blood sugar levels. A medium-sized potato contains about 37 grams of carbohydrates, making it comparable to a sugary treat. Even though potatoes are a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, their high glycemic index, GI, makes them a poor choice for diabetics, especially when consumed in large quantities or in forms like mashed potatoes, fries, or chips. 2. Corn. Corn is another vegetable that diabetics should approach with caution. Corn has a higher carbohydrate content than many other vegetables, with a medium ear of corn containing around 19 grams of carbohydrates. It also has a high glycemic index, meaning it can raise blood sugar levels relatively quickly. While corn is a good source of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, the high carb content can make it difficult for diabetics to keep their blood sugar levels in check. Processed corn products like cornmeal, popcorn, and corn syrup are even worse, as they can lead to rapid glucose spikes. 3. Peas. Peas, including green peas, snow peas, and snap peas, are often considered healthy due to their fiber, vitamins, and protein content. However, they are also relatively high in carbohydrates for a vegetable. A half-cup serving of peas contains around 12 grams of carbohydrates, which can quickly add up if eaten in large quantities. While their fiber content does help slow down the absorption of sugar, the overall carbohydrate load can still pose a challenge for those managing diabetes. Peas also have a moderate glycemic index, meaning they can cause moderate increases in blood sugar. 4. Sweet potatoes. Though sweet potatoes are often considered a healthier alternative to regular potatoes due to their higher fiber and nutrient content, they are still high in carbohydrates. A medium sweet potato contains about 27 grams of carbs, while they have a lower glycemic index than regular potatoes, meaning they cause a slower rise in blood sugar. The carbohydrate content is still high enough to warrant caution for diabetics. Additionally, common preparations like candied yams or sweet potato fries can include added sugars or fats, making them even more problematic. 5. Beets. Beets are known for their vibrant color and health benefits, including high levels of antioxidants and nitrates, which can help lower blood pressure. However, beets are also high in natural sugars compared to other vegetables. 1 cup of cooked beets contains about 13 grams of carbohydrates, with most of that being sugar. This makes beets a high glycemic vegetable that can lead to spikes in blood glucose levels. While they can be enjoyed in moderation, diabetics should be mindful of portion sizes when consuming beets. 6. Butternut squash. Butternut squash is a nutritious vegetable rich in vitamins A and C, fiber, and potassium. However, it is also relatively high in carbohydrates, with 1 cup of cooked butternut squash containing about 22 grams of carbs. This can cause a significant increase in blood sugar levels, especially when consumed in large portions. Additionally, common preparations like roasted or mashed butternut squash often include added sugars or sweeteners, which can exacerbate its impact on blood sugar. 7. Carrots. Carrots are a bit of a controversial inclusion on this list because they are often touted as a health food. However, carrots have a higher glycemic index than many other vegetables, meaning they can raise blood sugar levels more quickly. A cup of chopped raw carrots contains about 12 grams of carbohydrates. While they are a good source of beta-carotene and other nutrients, diabetics should consume them in moderation, particularly in their cooked form, as cooking can increase their glycemic index. Conclusion: while vegetables are an essential part of a healthy diet, diabetics need to be mindful of their choices.
Vegetables like potatoes, corn, peas, sweet potatoes, beets, butternut squash, and carrots, despite their nutritional benefits, can have a significant impact on blood sugar levels due to their higher carbohydrate content or glycemic index. The key for diabetics is moderation and pairing these vegetables with foods that have a lower glycemic index and higher fiber content to help manage blood sugar levels effectively.